Hi, my name is Aram Akopian. I'm a Taoist teacher, and today I'd like to share with you some Tai Chi moves for beginners. Tai Chi and Qigong exercises originate in ancient China. In modern days, they're gaining notoriety because of their numerous health benefits. Many people are integrating these exercises into their daily routines. I'm going to be demonstrating a small, introductory basic exercise of Tai Chi that you can integrate into your practice. The posture is a standing balanced posture. Knees are bent slightly, spine is erect, chin is tucked in gently, toes pointing forward. The arms are draped at the sides, relaxed, tummy is tucked in. Breathe in and out through the nostrils. Relax, inhale and exhale. The exercise begins in a rhythmic movement of the right hand, followed by the left hand. In this exercise, called the cloud hands, you're passing an energy ball between the right hand and the left hand in a gentle, swaying fashion. Cloud hands exercise can be integrated into many different practices and can be practiced by itself. This exercise benefits the central nervous system, calms your nerves, and creates a Zen-like meditative state. My name is Aram Akopian. I'm a Taoist teacher, and thank you for watching.